Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I am Ayush and from this video I am going to start a new series of Python. So this series will be based on Python tutorials and we are going to discuss about Python, and this particular course is for the absolute beginners. So let's get started. So why should you take up Python? Python is the most popular programming language in the world. So number one, and as you can see here, the number one is Python, then comes Java, then JavaScript, and then it goes so on. So if you want a detailed article on this, you can visit on this link or you can check the description for this link. Next, here is the 3 reasons that will make you learn Python right now. Number one, it's very easy to learn. Python is the easiest language to learn. In fact, after this particular course, you will be able to master Python. Number two is its versatility. Python is the most versatile language in the world. You can, from making mobile apps till data science and artificial intelligence, you need Python everywhere. So before moving further, I want everybody to subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified. Number 3 is its scalability. Python is the most powerful language in the world, in which you can make anything that you imagine. You can do gaming, you can do robotics or web development. You need Python everywhere. So why is this course unique? Why should you take up this course only, not any other's course? Because this course is 3-in-1 course. This is not a single course. So first we'll go with the beginners level, in which we are going to learn the basics of Python, such as nested loops, conditional statements, then data types, variables, and etc. Then comes the intermediate level. In this level we are going to learn and do some practical projects. We are going to make some apps and build some games and do some websites. So here will be more than 10 practical projects, and finally you will be the hero of Python. So the doubt which comes to a person in his mind is that, is this course for me? I don't have any prior experience of programming language. So should I take up this course? Yes, you can definitely take up this course because you do not need any prior experience of programming language before. So now we are at the end of this session. So I want to say you all a thank you, and do not miss any of the future episodes. Thank you.